How to add podcast in Wix website. So right here from the main page of Wix, I have simply clicked on edit site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. So right here, if we want to add a podcast, we will use the search tool in the top right corner, and we will simply search for podcast player. And you will see some different options, but we have an official Wix podcast player application. So if we click on open right here, then it will take us to the App Store, and we can simply select add to site, which will launch authentication, and it will start adding the Wix podcast player onto our website. So it looks like this here, your podcast player by the Wix podcast team. So if we want to set this up, then we will simply click on settings right above it, and right here from the main page, you will be able to see Connect RSS. So customize the design of your podcast feed and feature all of the episodes and info on your site. So we can click on Connect RSS, and here we actually paste the RSS feed link and we click on Connect. Now you can also edit this, so we can do different podcast episodes main, and we also have the settings here, and we can change the layout of how our podcast looks. So as soon as we press on it, as you can see, it changes the layout, and we can enable or disable different options. So for example, duration, description, and where we show the text as well as the text alignment here. So after that, you can also change the design itself of how this looks, this podcast section, and the links. As you can see, we have RSS feed, we have Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, and SoundCloud. So that's how you add a podcast onto your Wix website. I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.